How to log in into Gusto Payroll account. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to any of the web browser, or you can move into Safari if you are on your iOS device. Let me head over to Safari for now. Once you are in here, in the search bar, search for Gusto Payroll account login. You will be landing on this page. Different sites will be available to you, but head over to the very first one. Wait for a while for it to load. It will land you on the official page of Gusto. Now in here, what you want to do is, first of all enter the email address associated with your account, and then enter the password that you have created before. If you don't remember your password, then you can click on having trouble signing in. After that, follow the on-screen process, and then you'll be able to recover your email address or the password. So once you enter your login credentials, tap on sign in, and then you will be logged into your specific account and you'll be good to go. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can log in into your Gusto Payroll account. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.